In this video, we will make homemade shampoo which will be of Amla Reetha Shikakai and a lot of flowers which are very important and useful for your hair. In this video, I will show you demo and how to prepare it and how to apply it. And if you have done heavy oiling, then also this shampoo will work. So watch the video till end to know what is this magical remedy, and this is unique remedy of combination of Amla Reetha Shikakai with different flowers which are really very important for hair. Let's get started. First of all, I am taking hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers, the active ingredients of hibiscus flowers and leaves are flavonoids and amino acids that nourish your scalp and hair roots. It stimulates hair growth, deeply conditions hair strands, prevents dandruff and itchy scalp, delays hair graying and prevents baldness. So I have taken hibiscus flowers and then I have taken rose petals, dried rose petals I have taken. Rose petals serve as a natural cleanser and conditioner for your hair scalp. They are natural storehouses of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that nourish your scalp and promote the growth of healthy hair. They deeply moisture your hair and prevent the breakout of scalp acne and much dreaded dandruff. And then I have taken rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves strengthens circulation. As a result, it could prevent hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off and leading to hair loss. So it is compulsory to take rosemary leaves. After that, I have taken dried lavender buds. Lavender has antimicrobial properties which helps to prevent bacteria and fungi growing. This can be practically helpful if you have a sensitive scalp, as it helps to prevent itchiness and dandruff too. Next ingredient, I have taken kalonji, which is also called nigella seeds. It promotes hair growth, prevents premature graying, moistures dry hair, reverses hair damage, improves scalp health, restricts hair fall. Then I have taken flax seeds. 1 spoon flax seed I have taken. Flax seeds is rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. After that, I have taken fenugreek seeds, which are a great source of iron and protein, which are two essential nutrients for your hair growth. They also contain a unique composition of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. These compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. After that, I have taken 2 to 3 spoons of amla powder. Amla powder can raise the levels of sebum production, which can help get rid of dandruff, scalp itchiness and dandruff. Amla powder is also used for hair growth to promote hair growth. Amla powder acts as an excellent toner for hair as well, and it strengthens the hair and it resists the dryness. Now, next I have taken Shikakai pods, and I have taken out the seeds from Shikakai pods and I have grinded them so that our powder should be pure. Shikakai adds shine and softness, fights dandruff, gives you stronger and thicker hair. They prevents dry scalp, delays gray hair, removes hair lice and heals minor wounds. Next, I have taken Bhringraj, and Bhringraj is very powerful herb in Ayurveda. Bhringraj promotes hair growth, prevents hair fall and baldness, treats dandruff and dry scalp, slows down hair graying, treats scalp infection, nourishment to the hair, liver cleanser, aids for the healthy skin. After that, I have taken cloves. Cloves have high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp for dandruff, and which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which help in hair thickening. After that, I have taken ashwagandha. If you have powder, then you can use 1 spoon of ashwagandha. And ashwagandha relieves your hair loss, strengthens up your hair, enhances your scalp and hair nourishment, conditions your scalp and hair, controls your scalp irritation, reverses premature graying of hair. Ayurvedic hair care products and ashwagandha hair mask. You can see ashwagandha is available in all hair care products. So it is up to you. You can skip it if you don't have. Then I have taken Palchad, which is also called alkanet root or jatamasi, and this is really very nice for premature graying, baldness and hair fall purpose. Now this I have grinded them, and this powder can be stored for 6 months. And this, to make shampoo out of this powder, I'll add one most important ingredient in the process of making the shampoo. Whenever you want to shampoo your hair, a night before you will have to soak it. Now in a bowl you can take 3 to 4 spoons of this powder and add 5 to 6 Reetha or soap nuts. This helps to clean your hair very nicely, and if you have done heavy oiling, then also it will help you to create lather and will help you to clean all the dust and oil from your hair. I have taken soap nuts and I have taken out seeds, and I have soaked 4 to 5 spoons of this shampoo with Reetha overnight, and next morning I have boiled it for let's say 10 to 15 minutes, and then I have covered it and let it cool for 30 minutes, and then blend it again to get maximum nutrients from all the soaked ingredients. So blend it very well and then strain it using a cloth so that no particles will be there on your hair after rinsing the shampoo. So after that I have applied this shampoo on heavy oiled hair, and I have applied first on scalp and then all over the hair, and I have kept this for 2 hours, and you can like try it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours and rinse it off with normal water, and your hair will be clean and you will get your hair softer than before, and moisture will be there as well. So I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel.